Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So this week will be new mold week. I did just a little shopping. So I got 2 new molds from Resin. One set is brand new to the company. One they've had for a while, but it was on sale for $10 and I couldn't pass it up. So let's open this one first, and it is the letter M. You know, because my name starts with an M. I don't know if you guys noticed. But, so I got this mold. Like I said, it was $10. So I just couldn't pass it up. That was a great sale. It feels real nice and sturdy. It's very, very thick. She's a thick boy. So, yeah, that's going to be a lot of resin, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So this one, I'm actually going to save for next week because I'm almost out of resin again. So I'm just waiting on my new shipment. That should be here on Tuesday. But this one I'm going to do next week. So for this week, I wanted to dive into this brand new set from Resin. And this comes with a whole host of molds. So let's see. What the heck is that? Like a piece of cork in the bag. Anyway, okay. They have... I was wondering if they had the name of it on here, but I don't think they do. No. Okay. So, I'm trying to figure out how to describe this. It's a textured mold set. Sorry for the crinkling. The only thing I really hate about these companies is how much plastic waste they use to wrap these molds with. Okay, so this is a mold for coaster holders, holds 4. You get 2 round molds, and as you can see, there is a kind of like a pebble stone texture to those, and 2 square molds. So to make the set for this, you would just do both of these, and then you could do, you know, round square or whatever in the holder. Okay, and then you also get this tray mold, which, let me grab, sorry for the noise. Okay. This tray mold is about 11.5, I'd say. 11.5 inches by about 6. So 11.5 by 6 for this. And then you get this round tray mold, which is very, very big. That's what she said. And it looks like it's about 10 inches across in diameter. So, very, very, very big molds. So I'm super excited. So for this week, I'm going to do one of these trays. And then I'm going to do, I'm going to do this tray, specifically this one. And then I'm also going to do this mold and the coaster molds for the other day. So for today, I think I'm going to do the tray mold. Mostly because I am running out of resin, and I'm not sure how much resin these are going to need. if that makes sense, like all 4 of these. So I think I'm going to do the tray today. These I'll do on Thursday. Hope and pray that my resin comes in on Tuesday, okay? And so for this one, I want to do some chameleon powders onto them. So let's see, I've got those and these. Ugh. Okay. So I've got this set of 4 here, and then I've got this set of 3 here. So maybe a blue from here, and then let's do this purplish one and this mint one. Yeah, so we'll do those 3. Those 3 will be the colors. I'm going to dust the mold with the chameleon powders, and then I think I'm going to color the resin white this time instead of black, mostly because I'm running out of my black pigment, and that stuff is not cheap. So we're gonna color it white and fill it up, and then we will demold it. All right, let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Okay, I wouldn't really call this a bonus unmolding. I had some golden black left over. So I poured it into here, but I sprayed it heavily with the alcohol first. Just to try it one more time. Not the coloration, but the alcohol trick, just to see. This is actually just a blob of extra resin that I think came off of something else. Anyway, it's not filled up all the way, but I just really wanted to see if the alcohol helped with bubbles at all. Wow. I mean, I'm still getting a few tiny bubbles. Let me see if I can... God, I wish this camera had a macro lens, but like right in here, you can see these tiny little bubbles. But other than that, like look, right over here, there's a couple right there, and then a couple right there. But other than that, you can't, they're almost all gone. That is amazing. I really should try this this alcohol spray every single time, because that's just freaking amazing. The coloring is looks like crap, but that's okay, because all I was really testing was whether or not spraying alcohol on it first helped with the bubbles, and it absolutely does. So there we go. All right, that's your bonus unmolding, Tom. All right, friends, this is cured. Yeah, so I mixed up 300 milliliters, and it filled it up, but not all the way. So just be aware that this tray in particular, you're probably going to need about 325 to 350 milliliters if you want it all the way filled. Let me see if I can show you what I mean by all the way filled. So there is, you know, there's a nice little ridge there. But anyway, are we ready? I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So I'm going to unmold it like this. Oh, he's so pretty. Look how clean that is. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, and even the edges have like a texture to them. Oh, what do you guys think? I do think that my blue kind of got lost in there. Oddly enough, it turned all gold, which is kind of weird because it's supposed to be an aqua blue. So where did my aqua blue go? This one is this orchid, and then the mint is supposed to be like the green. Like this was supposed to be the majority of it, and it disappeared. I mean, it's gorgeous, don't get me wrong. I just wish that this had blended in better with the other colors. But all that aside, I really like it. I like the texture. It reminds me of pebbles on like a cobblestone street, you know? So yeah. So this is, like I said, it's a new set, 7-piece set from Resin. Here we go. As always, I'll have it linked in the description. I just got it off of Amazon. I'm always looking at Amazon for, you know, new mold sets, and this one caught my eye, and it was a pretty good price for all that you get out of. I mean, seriously though, look how big this thing is. Yeah, that's a big boy. Anyway, yeah, that is today's video. It's simple, it's quick and easy, I guess. And even though the colors did not turn exactly how I planned, I still think that they are gorgeous. I hope you guys do too. If you enjoyed this, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.